then we're gonna head to IKEA. Don't you have enough boxes? I do have a lot of boxes. Hi fammies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Thuvan, and today I'm gonna do a little office makeover. If you've been following my previous vlogs, you know that I have my own little office space at home. So far it has been really comfortable working in my office, but it's not really cute, it's just very functional. First thing that we already did 2 days ago is that we installed a monitor arm. Before we had our monitor on the monitor stand, but it was too low. So every time we had our laptops in front of it, we would have to like kind of bend our head to see what's on the bigger screen. So now we finally have a monitor arm, which is super nice. And we also have a lot more desk space because of that. So I can definitely do some cute stuff. I'm thinking of just going to IKEA and roam around a little bit, see which items I want to get and bring home. I do need to do a little bit of measuring, so I of course have my measuring tape here. I'm gonna measure the room a little bit to see how much space I really have. Also, I am a little bit stuffed because of hay fever season, so bear with me if I sound a little bit weird. So I'm gonna go measure up my room a little bit and then we're gonna head to IKEA. I made pictures of all the places that I want to change, and then I also put some measurements so that I can see the dimensions that I can buy stuff in. I think that's enough prep for now. Let's head to the IKEA. They are seeing my little... I'm back at home. It took a lot longer at IKEA than I initially thought it was gonna be, so we're running low on time because I have to go to my parents for dinner. But instead of doing a office makeover, I'm gonna do a desktop makeover instead, and it actually works out for the better because I didn't end up finding anything for the corner. I just couldn't make up my mind what I really wanted, and at the end I was like, am I really gonna spend so much money just to have something in the corner? So we're leaving that for now. I got a lot of cute stuff for the desktop though, so let me give you a little haul. So the thing that I initially wanted to get and I was doubting about was the pegboard. I did end up getting it because I saw that you can also attach the pegboard to your table, to your desk, instead of to the wall, and that makes a big difference so that I don't have to drill into the wall. So I got the pegboard, the big square one. Then I got this little set, and I think it's a so this comes with 3 of these things. The big one where you can put what do I have? For example, I have my little journal thing. I can put it in here, and it also fits a larger one. So I also have the A6, I think. This is the A5. Do I have the A4? I don't know. I have one bigger size and they will also fit in here, so I think that's gonna be cute. And then it also comes with 2 smaller ones, which are so cute. And I like that this is see-through, so then you can also make it more cute and show something off. Then I also got another set for the pegboard, and this one comes with this square one, a long one, which is this one. 2 of these, I think. Yeah, 2 of these and 3 of these. And I actually initially got this one and this one separately. And then you have a few more, but it's not like I need all of them. And then I saw that they have a whole set, and I was like, yeah, because I also want this and I also want this one. So That comes in handy. Then we also have this cutting board, and this is actually for in the kitchen, but I think this is gonna be very cute for on my desk as well, and I can just place something cute on top, or I can put my laptop on top of this. I bought another one of these smaller serving plates, and I think this is for my matcha station, but I haven't decided yet. It could also be for my desk, but for now I'm probably gonna use this at my matcha station. Oh, and I also got this for the pegboard, it was very cheap, so I got it, and it has like these hooks. And I think that's gonna be very cute because I can hook my future keychains that I'm gonna make for the art shop. I can hook it and then display it. I think that's gonna be super cute. Then this is the thing that attaches it to your desk. I also stocked up on these reusable Ziploc baggy thingies because we are on our last batch. I also got 3 of these are like bags that you can put stuff in and store it somewhere, and I want to store my winter clothes in these bags because then I can have more space for my summer clothes for the season. I also got this thing because we are now currently eating like the crushly, mushly, I don't know how you call it in English, but then we can store it in this bin instead of having to close the bag the whole time. And I also got this, and you're probably wondering what, oh, I also got this. And this is for something in the bedroom. We're gonna do like curtains and stuff over there. So they sold this, I got it. I'm missing one. Oh, I have another one. And then this is a container. No. So this looks very funny, but you can fold it and click it, I think. And then it makes a box. And you're probably wondering, why would you need a box? Don't you have enough boxes? I do have a lot of boxes. But I needed a box. Oh, okay, so I didn't really do that well. Okay. This is just a very easy box with handles, and I think this is easy to use. So the reason why I got this box is because I share this desktop with my boyfriend. Once a week he works from home. So he does have a few of his own things that he uses when he's working. For example, his mouse mat, and his charger. And whenever he's not working at this table, I don't want that to be all over the place, so I bought a little box that's open so that we can easily store it without it looking all messy in the house. And also I have my own charger as well, which I leave at home, so when he's working then I can put this one in the box so that it's out of the way, and this box I'm just gonna put on the floor next to the desk. So this is the current desk situation. A lot of the stuff that I just bought. We have the monitor arm, and then we have that little corner. So I want to have the pegboard on that side, which means we're gonna move this someplace else. I'm either thinking moving it to this side and removing the lamp from that side, or we're gonna put it behind the monitor, which I think is also gonna be very cute because then when I'm filming you will see that as a background. So that's what we're gonna do first. It is mounted to my desk and it looks really cute. It was very easy to set up, and this is also very lightweight actually, so that's nice. And then we move this to the corner, and I can't have it on full display because this screen actually bumps into it and I don't want to adjust the screen because I think it looks good as it is over here. So I made it a little bit smaller, but that's fine. For now, I'm gonna leave it here, but who knows what I will do later. And this one we're gonna fill up now. So right now it looks like this, and you can easily just change it up again, and I think it looks so cute. So let's fill it up with stuff. I have my journal. I want to have my crybaby on display, so I think I'm gonna hang her over here. And I also want my Labubus on display, so let me see. Or should I just put them in here? No. I want to hang them here. Wait. I forgot that I also have these hooks. It does scratches up very fast, the backboard, so I put this one in above here and then I place it down here, and now I have scratches up here. So that's a bit unfortunate, but these backboards are not too expensive, so if this one starts looking rough, I will probably just get a new one. My other Labubu. This is so cute. Oh my god. A few pens. Go in here or in here. This is what it looks like right now. It's so cute, so girly, exactly how I envisioned it. I also put this little to-do list that is one of my digital templates from my art shop. I put it here just to have some fill up-ish. I'm gonna try to get more art prints to fill up this thing and, I don't know, fill up all of that. But right now I don't really have anything to fill it with because all my little cutesy stuff is still at my parents' place. So this arm thing has this thing, and I think it's kind of ugly. So I think I'm just gonna hide it with this one for now, and then it's also centered below the screen. And then I can basically just, like, for example, have my iPad on here or whatever. We're still gonna figure that little corner out, but for now, let me give you a before of this corner, and here is the after. So cozy. I just can't wait to make this a lot cuter than it is right now. So that's basically it for my little desk makeover. I'm very excited with the results. Even just now sitting here, I feel like this is such a cozy corner all of a sudden. And if you've been following me on my socials, you know that I got my motivation back for my art shop. I gave myself a deadline to have my second shop update in 2 months. And for this shop update, I'm gonna do 3 sticker sheets and 2 die cut stickers at least. And I'm so excited to be working on it at this little area now. And also once it's finally released, I can do packaging videos and stuff. And then you have this as a little background, I think. So I'm very excited for that to come. And next week I will be doing a shop update, shop vlog, studio vlog, whatever you want to call it. It will be up for next week Sunday. So with that being said, this is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I can't wait to see you guys next week Sunday again. Have a good week, stay healthy, stay thriving, and I will see you next week Sunday. Bye.